Hi, my name is Pragti. I go to Monte Vista High School, and this is my second milestone. For my second milestone, I set up object detection and OCR. So first, I'm going to give you a demo of my object detection. Right now, I'm holding the keyboard, and it's able to detect the computer keyboard, have the text on the bottom, and also have an audio output. And then, give me a minute. So for my object detection, I had to first update all the packages I had. Then I had to download, make sure that I could create an environment. Then I had to upgrade my script. Then download TensorFlow, which allows me to do object detection. It has all the libraries for it. Then I had to install RPyVision, and then finally I was able to give the demo. So I later realized that I didn't want to use object detection for my project. Instead, I wanted to detect like book titles and authors. So for that, I had to use OCR. So I downloaded OCR and I started working with that. Now, I'll give you a demo of that. Oh. So on my phone, I have hello typed out. So I'm gonna try to detect that with OCR. Just give me a minute. So basically, it only detected L and O, and I did capture the picture. Let me pull up the picture that it captured real quick. So it only captured L and O, so that's why I was only able to print out L and O. So the really hard part of this is first lining up the camera because I don't have like a live stream of where the camera is. So I have to keep on trying and trying until I finally get it. Then the second is, are there any lights reflecting? How's the quality of the camera? So all that plays into how well the OCR can detect. So that was a struggle. Um, so after I got OCR working, I wanted, since I wanted to detect book titles and authors, I had to separate those two out because yes, I can detect all the text on on something, but I won't be able to detect which one is the title, which one's the author. So I had to use NER, um, which is basically named entity recognition. So that is part of NPL, which is natural NLP, sorry, my bad, natural language processing, which basically allows computers to understand how humans like their language. So NER, named entity recognition, focuses on identifying and categorizing important information like known entities in text. So like people and places, dates. So in the text on a book, it can say, oh, look for a person, which would be the author in this case. So it'd be assuming that the person on that is detecting on the book title, on the book cover, would be the author. So that's what I used. And I will give you a demo of that. Another thing is um, book with colorful text, because book titles are not always just black and white, just like my notes app. It's also colorful. So I had to use filters with OpenCV provides to filter the image and get a proper thing that OCR can detect. So give me 1 minute. So for this one, I was not testing with my with my camera. I was just using online pictures that I had found to test out, does NER even work right now? So I had given it this picture. It's the inside page of The Great Gatsby, which just has the title and the author and some information on the bottom on a blank page for now, just to test, can it even separate author and title? So I will show how this runs real quick.
The book title is the
Yeah, there's even audio output for this part. It didn't fully run, but on my terminal screen, you can see it says the book title is The Great Gatsby, written by Scott Fitzgerald, which is right. If you want to zoom in on it. So it doesn't work all the time, especially on book covers, because book covers are noisy. They have like a lot of colors, so the filters aren't able to properly separate the words in the background. And sometimes the words are covered up and it's not able to read it properly. It's not able to get the right information. So that's why I was just using the inside cover for now. So those are some of my struggles. Um, the next few steps I want to take are um, get the book covers working, be able to filter it out, like get the right mix of filters so I can detect title and author straight from the book cover instead of like flipping to the inside cover of a book. And that's basically it. Yeah, thank you.